Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to use the face spin effect on TikTok like this. This effect basically zooms and spins your face around, giving your audience a good laugh. To get this effect, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover and search for Face Spin. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it and see how others have used this effect. If you don't see this filter in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. As you can read, effect will only work once you open your mouth. So go ahead and start to record your video, and once you want the effect to start, open your mouth. This will result in your face being spinned around on the screen and zoomed in as well. And that is how to use the face spin effect on TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and enable bell notifications for future videos. Also make sure you hit that like button if you found this useful and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.